Raimundo against Rivas. Raimundo, sinusuka nitong si Rafi Rivas. Outside, Pistol Pete. High looper. Wala na kay Mark Makapagal. Quickly to Helterbrand. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand will step on the brakes and now will set the offense here. 15 on the shot clock. Wala na kay Makapagal. Makapagal goes baseline. Has nowhere to go. Outside Rivas. Then on the shot clock, here's Helterbrand. Bounce pass. Rivas with a stretch and a miss. Top defense provided by Mark Pingris.
You know, Pure Foods as a team, they are one of the top or the top defensive teams we have.
You know, this is what Adobo's addition to this team, White means a lot. Because now you have Pingris fresh off the bench with all that energy. You combine that with the passing ability of Kirby Raimundo, that's difficult to stop.
And of course, Mark Pingris, he's one of the energy guys. If you're an energy guy, kadalasan gusto ng coach yan, pinapasok as a second unit. You look at Barangay Ginebra, what they did with Ronald Tubit and what they are doing with Paul Artadi. Kasi pag pumasok yung mga player na ganyan, alam mo, yung intensity level ng koponan mo takes a step higher.
Dahan-dahan lumalayo ang Pure Foods sa ating laro as Tubid on courts. At yung bola nakuha ni Raimundo quickly to Peter Jones-Simon and he spins and he will score! At hindi na po mapigilan ng Pure Foods dito sa opening quarter.
And this quarter, Pure Foods is attacking the transition defense of Barangay Ginebra. Barangay Ginebra a step slower than Pure Foods early on.
Ginebra nag-aaral ng paraan para hindi maiwan ng tuluyan dito as Helterbrand is fouled.
Key guys para sa Barangay Ginebra, hindi pa rin nakaka-contribute para sa kanilang koponan. Obviously, with Mark Agiwa out, you would expect JJ Helterbrand to have a big game, or Ronald Tubid. Both guys still scoring.
Substitution, Eric Meng for Rafi Rivas, J.R. Aquino for Mark Makapagal.
Palitan ng tao dito para sa Ginebra. Makapagal and Rivas are sitting down and J.R. Aquino, the rookie, comes in to join Tubid, Meng, Mamaril, and J.J. Helterbrand. And Ginebra, they are just atrocious from the free throw line.
Anim na sunod-sunod na yan para dito sa Barangay. Probably itong free throw shooting not in the wish list for Christmas para sa Barangay.
Hindi yata na isama. As Raimundo fires, there's J.R. Aquino, who's been a role player here para sa Ginebra with the rebound. Paano bababangon ng Ginebra dito in the opening quarter? Here's Mamaril. Mamaril to Aquino. Aquino goes to Meng at the post against Raimundo. That's our big bonus matchup. Meng will score.
Pagkakataon na yun, ito si Meng ang nagkaroon ng bonus mula dito kay Kirby Raimundo. Ginebra looking for a guy to score, and up to this point, only Eric Meng has had a field goal so far.
Simon outside Raimundo. Here's Rob Sands, another rookie. Sands with a floater.
The Sands, etong si Mark Pingris, Romela Ducol, these are the guys that give Pure Foods toughness. Especially if Sands can score, that's a bad sign on the other team.
That's going to be last touch on Pingris. Speaking of energy players, Kid Lightning trying to ignite this moribund Ginebra offense. Under 2 minutes to go dito sa opening quarter. Bola na kay Meng, cross court, Tubid from the corner all day to shoot. Wala pa rin. Pingris with the rebound. Pero actually, violation na dahil umabot na sa bung ng kapitbahay yung tira ni Ronald Tubid.
Yeah, Barangay Ginebra has actually had some good looks in this quarter. Problema lang talaga, hindi pa pumapasok ngayong araw na to yung mga libreng tira ngayon.
Simon for three. Yes, sir. PM3 for Peter Jones-Simon.
Ginebra has to watch out. They have to find the antidote for their problems here in this first quarter because this lead has ballooned to 14 and their offense is, they just can't find the basket.
Here's Meng inside. Mamaril.
Yung crowd dito, Mingo, collectively, parang naririnig mo, naku, free throw na lang para doon sa mga fans na Barangay Ginebra.
Holy night o silent night. Tahimik dahil free throw na. Kinakabahan nitong mga taga-Barangay Big Dog.
Yeah, that's the same feeling I got every time I went to the free throw line.
Ako rin when I was watching it.
You felt happy. Tagal na.
Huwag na nating ungkatin ng
Pasko na.
Oo. As Mamaril gets 1 out of 2. Ang hangarin dito ng Pure Foods ay tuluyan ang iwan ang Ginebra with 1:17 remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Raimundo. Roger Yap, 4-3. Yes, sir! Press for Roger Yap and back-to-back triples for Pure Foods.
Third three-pointer para sa Pure Foods. That's their third. On the other side, Barangay Ginebra, they're 0 of 5 from three-point shooting. And you would think, pareho naman yung nakikita lang three-point shots. Open looks, only Pure Foods is making theirs.
And a steal by Simon. Simon against Artadi. And Simon brushes Artadi aside. And they call an offensive foul. Remember, Artadi used to play for Pure Foods.
Pasang-pasa ni Paul Artadi yung gustong gawin ni PJ Simon. Went in front of him. And kadalasan, hindi nakikita ni PJ Simon na may isang player na makakahabol pa sa kanya. But we know how fast Paul Artadi is.
Although kailangan ng Ginebra dito. Scoring. Not so much quickness. As makapagal at courts at wala pa rin. Ginebra really ice cold from the outside. Here's Artadi. Artadi on the move. Artadi to makapagal. Isa pa! Wala pa rin. And here's Simon, who's on the move, and he fires and scores! Red hot opening quarter para sa Pure Foods.
What a quarter para sa Pure Foods. They've got 30. Ginebra's got 11. Itong Ginebra, alam natin, Pasko, malamig. Pero pati sila, nalalamig ngayon.
Giniginaw sa labig ng kanilang atake dito. And here's Artadi. And it takes Paul Artadi to break ice here para sa Ginebra with 3 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. And Simon, nako, may pagkakataon pa! Oh, almost, but not quite. But what an opening quarter salvo by Pure Foods on Christmas Day, showing no mercy. Absolutely no love para sa Ginebra. Biglang iniwan ang Gin Kings dito. Ang ating score at the end of the opening quarter, 30 for Pure Foods and only 13 for Ginebra. Nakita nyo ng San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen, ang beer na walang katulad. Back inside the Big Dome para sa ating Christmas Day Showdown. At kanina, nag-init si Peter Jones Simon. With a PM3, satid sa inyo ng bagong PM Discarte SIM, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na.
8 points para kay Peter Jun Simon, and he turned things around. That second unit, the energy that brought in para sa Pure Foods, sila yung kumawala para magkaroon sila ng ganitong kalaking kalamangan.
Welcome to the second quarter of play. As Paul Artadi misses the layup, Pingris with a rebound. Pure Foods begins the second quarter with Roger Yap, Rob Sands, Mark Pingris, Jonathan Salvador, and Peter Jun Simon. Samantalang itong si Artadi nagmamadali. Hand off Salvacion, and Salvacion will score.
That's a good job para dito kay Sunday Salvacion. Not to hurry that shot. He gathered it. Obviously, he was sprinting down. You gather yourself before taking that shot. That's why he was able to make it. As we look at it, sabi na, ang lamig, 19% from the field. Itong TJ Giants. Dagdag lang natin dyan, ha? Itong Ginebra from the free throw line, 39%. So itong Pure Foods, even shooting better from the field compared to the free throw shooting of Barangay Ginebra.
Itong shooting ng Pure Foods kasing tamis ng Christmas leche flan. Ang Ginebra naman, ang kanilang field goal percentage kasing alat ng queso de bola.
Queso de bola pa rin at saka leche flan. Alam ko na kung ano yung ulam nyo kagabi. Sinasabi mo na lahat ng halatang wala kayong sweet ham. Wala sweet ham.
Meron. Mamaya. Aabot tayo dyan.
Tsaka ensaymada.
Ayan, ensaymada.
Problema kasi konti lang kasi yung maasim na kinakain pag Pasko eh.
Meron ba? Bawal yata sa Pasko yung asim. As James Yap will miss. At pinalipad ni Rob Sands itong si Sunday Salvacion for loose ball. By the way, bagitin po natin ang ating Christmas Day officiating crew. Diyan po si Bong Pascual, si Peter Balao, at ang ating Christmas Day Chief Justice, Guy Chiferin. Here's Bakapagal for 3. Yes, sir! TM3 for Ginebra, kanilang pinakaunang TM3 sa araw na ito.
That's a good sign para sa Barangay Ginebra because obviously they're gonna need to open up that lane because their main weapon dito sa lineup nila ngayon, ayan, si Eric Mex na siguro, main weapon nila. So kinakailangan marami yung mga out